email extractor software, lead generation software. Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to review an email extractor, or let's say a better term is a lead generation software that can extract leads for you. Okay, whether you are an affiliate, whether you have any business or service, it doesn't matter, because this software is for anyone who wants to make sales, whether it's a physical product, whether it's a digital product, whether it's a service, whether you want leads for your business, whatever it is. This software can generate those leads. Okay, so it can extract email addresses, highly targeted email addresses of people who are interested in your product, in your service, in your business. Okay, I'll just show you how you can do that. And remember to watch this video till the end, because I have some great bonuses. Okay, I have some great bonuses if you get this software to the links on the description of this video. Okay, so this is a review on Lead Grab software. It is a very professional software, and it is a software that has lots of features. Okay, lots of features that can that really matter. Okay, that really matter to each and every one of us, because we need sales. Okay, we need that sales, we need that lead. Okay, so it's very costly nowadays to go to Facebook and create ads. Okay, so it will cost you leg and arm. So if you want a fastest way to generate leads for any business, you want sales, you have come to the right video. Okay, so I'll be giving you bonuses that will help you to generate those leads. Not only generate leads, generating leads is the software will do. Then after that, the steps after that. Okay, so how to get sales, how to make money using all these email addresses. Okay, so I'll show you stepwise process. So please watch this video till the end. It won't be long. I'll just go and give you a quick demo of this project. Okay, you can see on the dashboard. You just have to create a new project. Okay, you can use this, you can create a new project out here, or you can use this. Okay, so if you click this button or this button, then you'll be taken to this page. Okay, this is the inner page. Okay, this is the pro edition of this software, and this software is very affordable. Okay, it's very affordable, under $50. Okay, so under $50 you will get this software for a year. And oh, actually it's for its lifetime. Okay, they are having some offer right now, so just go and get this software as soon as possible. Okay, so let's get started. What's this software about? It's about extracting leads. Let's just put a title. I've wrote make money online. You can write anything, but make money online niche is the niche. Even if you are newbie, okay, you do not have any product, you do not have any skills to make a product, you do not know how to start, where to start, how to make money, just watch this video till the end. Okay, so the project title can be make money online. Okay, so this is the niche, this is the category, this is the topic which I choose, because everybody wants to make money. There are lots of other topics or niches, like yoga niche, there can be other beauty products niche, there can be survival niche, magic tricks niche, anything. Okay, marketing niche. You may also have a product related to let's say computers or something like that. Okay, so you can just go and just think about any niche you want to promote. Okay, you need a product to promote an offer. Okay, so if you do not have a product, it doesn't matter for now, because I will show you a place where you can find thousands of products which you can resell without buying them, and you'll make money. Okay, so let's get started. So it's better done than said. So okay, I'll just give the project title make money online, and the keyword again make money online. Okay, so make money online, or let's say you can see out here. Okay, work from home, online jobs. Okay, so I think this will do. So these three keywords I've inserted. You can insert unlimited amount of keywords. Now the beauty of this software is that you can also add foreign languages. Okay, you can search for emails. You can create multiple projects. Okay, not only one project, you can create multiple projects, and you can grab all the unique emails. Okay, these emails do not repeat, and they'll continue finding emails that are related to your niche. Okay, all niches are allowed, all major search engines are allowed. Okay, like Google, Bing, Yahoo, or all search engines. Okay, you just have to choose. I normally choose all search engines out here. Even foreign keywords are allowed, and the reports which you get is you will get in white label. so that you can go and give this service to somebody else also. Okay, you can also upgrade to get the commercial license of this software, so that you can resell the license for this software. Okay, this is also the beauty of this software, is that you can start your own business of selling the same software. Okay, and if you ever go and get the white label edition or the commercial license, I'll be the first person who will give you sales. Okay, I can give you sales because I have lots of email list, which I just use this software to get email list so that I can promote this same software. Okay, so next thing is you can choose the country. Just choose it America, and let's go for 25,000 leads. Okay, you can go for 50,000 leads for this example. Okay, so let's go with the 50,000 leads per project. Okay, you can generate 50,000 leads per project. So let the software start working. It's very fast. Okay, it's very fast. It will go and start extracting emails. Meanwhile, let's go to clickbank.com. Okay, so if you do not have a product, just go and go to clickbank.com and create a free account. Okay, and in the left hand side menu you will see lots of categories out here. Okay, there are lots of categories and subcategories. Okay, so for this example, okay, we are extracting email addresses of people who are interested in making money online, working from home, online jobs. Okay, and they are located in America. Okay, so the keyword is make money online. They are located in America, and we want 50,000 leads. Okay, so we need to find a product to sell. Okay, so let's go to e-business and e-marketing, because our keywords is make money online. So we went and we are going to find a product related to make money online or e-business. Okay, so first of all, sort it by gravity. That means whichever products comes first are the products which gets a lot of conversion. Okay, you can see out here all this product, but we'll find a product which has a good payout, and you just try to find a product which has a recurring income like this. Okay, so perpetual 355 income. Okay, so this ones look great. Okay, you'll make $324 per sale. So let's go and promote this offer. Okay, so in order to promote this offer, you just have to click promote button and just give your nickname. Okay, so this is the nickname that you get to have when you create your ClickBank account. So tracking ID, you can just write anything. Okay, TM, let's say this EM means email marketing, T means the traffic source is email marketing. Okay, so you can just insert it so that you can track your stats. Okay, so and there are if there are more than one landing pages, always choose the default one, because the default one is the one which gets a lot of conversion. Okay, so I found out that. Just click generate hop links and you'll get a link. Okay, so this is the link that will get tracked back to you. That means every sales that happens from this link, you'll make a commission. Okay, you'll make a commission of $324. Okay, so this software is very easy to use. Okay, so now you just have to click download. Once this bar has come to an end, you just have to click the download button. Okay, so let the software download. It downloads automatically as soon as you choose the download button out here. So let's wait, because this page has 50,000 emails. It has to have 50,000 emails, so it will take some time to download it. So you got the gist of it. Okay, you just create a new project, give a title to your project, add keywords, select search engines and location, and you will the software will extract 50,000 emails. Okay, so you just have to click this and look at it, all these leads. Okay, so these are high quality leads with who are interested in making money online. Okay, so the first step is we extracted emails of people who are interested in making money online. The second step is we'll go and find a product on ClickBank to promote. Okay, so the last but not the least, the last step is you will send emails to these people. Okay, you'll send emails to these people using promoting this offer. Okay, perpetual income 365, or you can go and find other offers also. Okay, so there are lots of offers which pay you more, and you do not have to go with the high paying offer. You can go with the offer that costs you under $150 in the beginning, and later on you can go and promote this offer. Okay, John question is you can earn $671 once you go and sell this product. Okay, so while sending 50,000 emails, even if you get just 5 sales, you are already making 671 into 5. Okay, but initially you'll just make 236 per person. Then after that he upgrades and you'll start earning $133 for the next few months. Okay, so the more emails you send, the more money you make. Okay, so this software is very easy to use. It's working uh, flawlessly, it's fast, and I've shown you a method how to make money. Okay, you extract emails, you promote this offer to this email, and you make money. Okay, so what are my bonuses? Okay, so if you get this software through my link below on the description, what I'll give you is I will give you 2 products that I'm currently promoting that converts like crazy. Okay, I'll give you 2 products that I'm promoting which are getting lots of sales when I'm sending cold emails. Okay, so I'll just send you this. Actually, it's automatic process. After you get the software, you'll get a link where you have to insert your name and email address. Okay, so once you insert your email address, just go and check your email for the bonuses. Okay, so make sure you click that confirm button on your email. Okay, and this product will automatically be sent to you. Okay, second is 100 subject lines for your emails. Okay, which has 70% open rates. That means I will send you 100, actually it's 101 subject lines which I have, that is getting a lot of open rates, more than 70% open rates, because the person whom you are sending the email, they do not know you. Okay, so you are sending cold emails. So first thing the people see when you send email is whether it reaches this whether they want to click that email or not. Okay, but the subject lines which I have tested lots and lots of time, I get 70% open rates. Okay, so I'll send you that 100 subject lines for you so that your emails get clicks. Okay, so and third point is cold email master course. Now if you do not if you want to write your own emails. Okay, so if you want to write your own emails, you can go and I'll send you this cold email master course also, but I'll also send you a link where you can go and get the done for you emails. Okay, done for you, I don't know, I think it's 5 weeks, for 5 weeks time. There's a already done for you emails. That product I'm using myself, but I use 2 different products. Okay, I use done for you emails, 100 emails, and done for you emails for 5 weeks. Actually, lately I found that the 5 weeks emails that are pretty new gets more conversion. Okay, so I'll I'll just send you a link to that, and you can go and get that get that emails. Okay, that's not my product, but it doesn't cost you a lot. Okay, I think it's less than $30-40. Okay, so less than $30 I think. And last but not the least, okay, now you cannot send emails through Gmail. Okay, you cannot send emails through Gmail, but and I will show you the best email sender software that I use. Okay, which is it is very important to choose the right email sender software, because your email should reach the inbox. Okay, so just if you just use randomly other emails sender software that cost you just $10 or $20 once, you may think that those email sender software is awesome, but remember, all your emails will go only to the spam folder, and it is of no use. Okay, so this whole process becomes useless. So you need a very good email sender software, and I'll give you a link to that software vendor, and you can use that also. Okay, so this actually I have lots of software, I have lots of guides, traffic guides, whatever, whether you want to do YouTube, whether you want to do let's say whether you want to do Bing, whether you want to do Google AdWords, whatever it is. I have lots and lots of guides and trainings, but that's of no use. Okay, so I just made this custom bonus so that the software which you are buying, the lead grab, okay, it will perfectly fit for you. Okay, so once you get those 50,000 emails, so you know how to write a cold email. Okay, if you want to write your own cold emails, or I'll send you a link where you can go and get that done for your emails. Okay, so for newbies, I recommend going and getting that done for your emails so that you know what kind of emails to write. I'll also send you 2 products that are converting like crazy when you are sending cold emails. Okay, so I'll also send you 100 subject lines for your email, so that you do not get stuck anywhere. Okay, and last but not the least, the email sender software which I'll send you. Okay, so this is the bonus which you will receive. Just go to the description of this video and click the link and get this lead grab software. Okay, so the best thing about this software is that you can start small and you can grow bigger. Okay, they even have a monthly package for you which costs $17. If you are on a tight budget, they also have I think right now they have a lifetime edition also. Okay, they also have a lifetime edition which costs you $47. Okay, so that's just one time investment and you do not have to make a big investment. Now if you get this get the white label license of this software, that means you can sell this software for whatever price you want. Okay, so I'm selling this software. I have a similar software. I'm selling this 2-3 types of software, and it gets sales. Okay, there are lots of sales to be made. So all you have to do is go and get the, if you have the budget. Okay, so if you have the budget, it will cost you $997, but this software will be yours. Okay, you just have to rebrand it and just sell it for let's say $100. Okay, $100 is very doable thing. Okay, so if you just sell 20 license, not only 20. Okay, so you just have to sell 10 license. Okay, then you'll get your money back very fast. Okay, and I'll make sure that I promote your offer, your white label offer. That means this software. Okay, I'll promote your offer. I'll use my links, sorry, your links, and I'll give you sales. Okay, I'll give you that 10 sales for sure. Okay, so it will take some time, but I'll go and give you that 10 sales, which you can get back that $997 very easily. Okay, so this is all I can tell you. Okay, so this is I'm telling you this because I want all the money which you invested to you. I want you to get that back as soon as possible and make money. Okay, I want you guys to make money so we can make money together. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end, and all the reviews which I do from now on, I'll be doing lots of software reviews. If you get it from if you support me and get it from my links, there'll be lots of bonuses, and I'll also be teaching you how to make money. On the same time, I'll be sending you email, newsletter, etc. Let's all make money together, and let's make this better community. Okay, so I'll even open a Facebook group and we'll start sharing methods to make money. Okay, I'll share all my ideas. You guys also come and share your ideas, but we want genuine people. Okay, we do not want only leeches. Okay, we want to help each other. So thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Now I hope you like this video. Thank you and bye bye.